Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get ads on Candy Crush Saga. Now, you will need ads in order to get some rewards in Candy Crush Saga. And in order to get more and more ads, you will have to follow these steps. First, you will have to play the game regularly. So you will have to progress and reach higher levels in order to get more ads. The second thing is to simply go to your Play Store and make sure that you have the latest version of the game. So you'll have to update it if you have an update. And this will also increase the chance of getting ads. And the third thing you should do is to simply make sure that you have connected to the Wi-Fi or the mobile data while you are playing the game. Because when you are connected to the internet, this will help the Google Play itself to show you more ads. And the last thing you can do is to simply use the boosters like the Lollipop Hammer. And once you finish them, they will ask you if you want to watch an ad in order to add one extra to your own inventory. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.